Boom! This is Mark Leong here, your Asia Juice Guru. And today I want to share a very interesting thing that is close to our heart, especially if you're an Asian, okay? And what is that? This is on chrysanthemum tea. Now, this morning I was taking a walk down at Chinatown in Singapore, and I had the opportunity. I want to say thank you to San Teck Soon Medical Hall for allowing me to share this amazing discovery of chrysanthemum tea. And I was just educated by Karen, which was with me earlier on. Now, today I want to share with you guys on three important things, right? The first thing is that how do you choose your chrysanthemum tea out there? Because there's so many types of chrysanthemum flowers recently, and me initially got confused as well. Are they the same or are they different? So this way I'm going to share with you based on what I've learned from Karen. Number two, how do you wash or how do you clean your chrysanthemum tea before you cook it? Last but not least, the third secret is that how do you cook your chrysanthemum tea? Especially if you guys have been cooking it the wrong way like I did. Okay, so these are the three things that I'm going to share with you in this episode. Now, I have three different types of chrysanthemum tea right here. One is the white chrysanthemum. The second one is the wild small chrysanthemum. And the third one is the typical chrysanthemum flowers that you find in the box, in the can, in your kopitiam, anywhere, everywhere, right? So, before I even start talking about the different types of chrysanthemum flowers, you know, which one is good, etc. First of all, if you are having body heatiness, right, if you are having sore throat, then this is something that we always go to, and this is something that I was given from young until old. So today I'm not going to talk about juices, but I'm going to talk about chrysanthemum, right? So what I understood is that the first type of chrysanthemum tea or chrysanthemum flower, which is the white chrysanthemum, this is one of the most effective ones compared to the two others here, right? The only thing I want you to take note is that this has it is a bit more bitter compared to the two other flowers here, right? So even if the rock sugar is going to still taste a bit more bitter. The second one, which is the wild small chrysanthemum, this has the best fragrance compared to the two others here, right? I can in fact smell it from here, and it smells super good, right? The fragrance is super good, and this is something that is also quite trendy at the moment. So if you like your chrysanthemum tea to be a bit more fragrantful, go for this one. Now, then this is the typical common ones which you can find it anywhere, everywhere throughout the whole year. So this is definitely the least effective compared to the rest of this, but it is still a chrysanthemum after all, right? So this is how you choose your chrysanthemum tea. Second tip, how do you wash it? Now, for those of you that you have a vegetable cleanser, right, and especially for those of you that are using ETL, which a lot of you are using this in Singapore, in Malaysia, this is one of my personal favorite, to be honest with you, right? So the thing is that please do not soak this for 10, 15, 20 minutes, right? It doesn't work that way. So all you need to do is that put all your flowers in a bowl, you know, in a cup or anything it is, spray with your vegetable cleanser or spray with your ETL, then after that rinse it off, right? This is to make sure that you still maintain whatever that is in the flower. You do not wash it off. You just want to wash away all those dirt. That's it. All right? So this is a fast way of how you should be cleaning your chrysanthemum tea. Now, the third step, the most important step. I'm not sure how many of you are doing this, but in the past, what I always do is that I will make sure that I have my boiling hot water that is still bubbling, and I will put in my rock sugar and I'll put in my chrysanthemum flowers in there to cook with it, right, or to boil with it. Now, I was informed by Karen today that that is actually the wrong way. Because why? It kills all your enzymes, it kills all the nutrients of the chrysanthemum. Aha! See? Surprise, right? So what is the right way? The right way is that when you have your boiling water, put in your rock sugar, let your rock sugar melt, and then after that, turn off your fire, and that is the time that where you only put in your chrysanthemum flowers. It is exactly, or in a way, similar to how you guys are doing tea. Right? So the next time when you think about boiling water, throwing your chrysanthemum flowers in, stop that. Don't do that. You're wasting your chrysanthemum. Now, these are the three secrets that I've gathered on chrysanthemum flowers. I hope you have enjoyed and benefit from it. This is Mark Leong here once again, your Asia Juice Guru. I'm signing out now from Chinatown.